Telkom funeral cover is all about helping the community on burying their loved ones once they have lost them. First and foremost, it is cheap and affordable. It runs from as little as R1 a day. You can literally cover yourself. So with 32 Rand, you can cover yourself, and then it pays up to 10,000 if it's a natural death and 20,000 if it's accidental death. You qualify for the policy as long if you are a South African resident, do you have your valid ID document, or if you're not a South African citizen, if you do have your passport and a valid work permit. The most affordable policy that we have, like for instance, we have a main member only. It covers from 32 Rand, it covers a single person, and then the payout is 10,000 Rand, and then if it's a natural death, if it's accidental death, it is 20,000 Rand. So the higher the premiums, the higher the payout. With 160 Rand per month, you get covered for 50,000, and then 100,000 if it's accidental. The age group that we take for the funeral cover, we start from 18 years old to 74 years old. The reason why you should choose Telkom funeral cover over any other policies is because Telkom funeral cover, it gives you a free coffin, free tombstone, free grocery, free airtime and data, and repatriation, meaning that if you've got a loved one who has passed away, let's say in Durban, and then you need the body in Limpopo, you get a free transport over that.